Why did Lord Shiva flee from Sati's terrifying form? Goddess Sati was the daughter of Daksha Prajapati and Lord Shiva's first wife. Everyone knows that Sati sacrificed her life by jumping into her father Daksha Prajapati's yagya, fire sacrifice, but the Devi Purana reveals even more interesting details about this incident. According to the Devi Purana, when Sati's father, Daksha Prajapati, organized a yagya, he did not invite his daughter Sati and son-in-law Lord Shiva. Upon learning about the yagya, Sati insisted on attending her father's yagya without an invitation. Why did Lord Shiva flee from Sati's terrifying form? Mythological story. Lord Mahadev then told Sati, going to any auspicious event without invitation is the same as death. Your father is performing this great yagya with the intention of insulting me. If one is insulted at one's in-law's place, going there is worse than death. According to the Devi Purana, upon hearing this from Lord Shiva, Goddess Sati said, Mahadev, whether you go there or not, I will definitely go. How can a girl remain patient and stay at home after hearing the news of a great yagya being performed at her father's house? Upon Goddess Sati's words, Lord Shiva said, You are not listening to me even when I stop you. A foolish person commits a wrong act and then blames others. Now I know that you no longer listen to me. Therefore, do whatever you want. Why are you waiting for my permission? When Mahadev said this, Sati momentarily thought, this Shankar first prayed to have me as his wife, and now he is insulting me, so now I will show him my power. Thinking this, Goddess Sati assumed her fierce form. Seeing Goddess Sati, with lips quivering with anger and eyes like black fire, Mahadev closed his eyes. The goddess, with her face adorned with terrifying teeth, suddenly laughed loudly, frightening Mahadev. Opening his eyes with great difficulty, he saw this terrifying form of the goddess. Seeing this terrifying form of the goddess, Lord Shiva began to run in fear. Seeing Shiva running, Goddess Sati said, Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Hearing these words, Shiva, overcome with fear, did not stop for even a moment and began running at great speed. Seeing her husband thus frightened, Goddess Bhagavati assumed 10 of her most powerful forms and positioned herself in all directions. Whichever direction Mahadev ran, he saw the terrifying form of the goddess. Then Lord Shiva closed his eyes and remained still. When Lord Shiva opened his eyes, he saw Goddess Kali before him. Then he asked, Who are you, dark-skinned one, and where has my beloved Sati gone? Goddess Kali then said, Are you not seeing me, Sati, standing before you? These beings in different directions are my own forms. Their names are Kali, Tara, Lokeshi, Kamla, Bhuvaneshwari, Chinnamasta, Shodhashi, Tripur Sundari, Baglamukhi, Dhumavati, and Matangi. Hearing these words from Goddess Sati, Lord Shiva said, I have come to know you as Purna and Paraprakriti. Therefore, please forgive me for whatever I have said out of ignorance, without knowing you. Upon saying this, Goddess Sati's anger subsided, and she told Mahadev, If you are insulted in my father Daksha's yagya, I will not allow it to be completed. With this, Goddess Sati went to her father's yagya. Please subscribe to this channel for such videos. Thank you.